Hi, my name's Parker. This is my bus, Bird. And why don't you guys come on in? So right here we've got my table, and since my bus is pretty tiny, everything has to be kind of dual purpose. So that comes off of here and covers my stove here. So then I have a real big countertop. And then this pole comes out of the ground there and goes underneath my couch, which is super messy. And then these cushions come off. And my bed comes down out of here. My school mat. So I got a full-size memory foam mattress in there. And then I have access to those two windows also.
All right.
And that's spring assisted underneath, so it's not the full weight of the bed, and then it holds itself up too. And then on this side, put these guys back up here. I've got an oven and a stove. And I've got a Dometic fridge here that I made look like my cabinet doors. And then...
Is that propane?
Yeah, so this is a two-way, so it'll run on propane or electricity depending on if I'm hooked up or not.
Right.
And then I've got a bathroom here. A little bit creaky, the door. But I've got a shower and a toilet in there. And then obviously hangers and things. And then this is a full-size closet also.
All right.
Yeah.
And those are locked?
Yeah, they're a little push lock.
I love those.
I love them. They're great.
Yeah, I just got some.
Yeah, and then I like leaving this open so that I was able to access the back door also, so that I can go in and out this way. I like that, as opposed to having the bed back here where I wasn't able to use the space all the way.
Right. Yeah, and having the
Murphy
full
bed
up bed
helps.
is nice. Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely.
And then storage above and below, and
yeah, absolutely. I had to do the storage above just because of the storage that I sacrificed by not having a garage in the back.
Okay.
But yeah, it works great. And then I've got a 27-gallon water tank underneath the bed here, and then underneath the bus I have another 27-gallon gray water tank.
okay.
So that'll last me. I mean, it's lasted me a few weeks.
Yeah. And then you've got more storage, looks like, above the...
Yeah, and then I have my electrical panel where I've got 12 volt and 110 electricity.
All right.
So I've got both breakers there. And all my gauges. And then I just vinyl dyed the dash to match the floors. It was all this brown color before. I'm trying to find one of these visors too. So, yeah.
And do you have anything social media?
Yeah, so I'm on Instagram, @BirdTheBus is my Instagram. And actually all of my handles are the same, so they're all @BirdTheBus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.